Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on the SoMee.social platform and how it works. So when you first log in, you're going to be either on your home timeline, and this is our staging server. This is where we do a lot of our testing for different posts, but it works the same as our regular production site. So you either land on your home profile or on the newsfeed timeline. So either place you can post on the timeline what's in your mind. And when you do post, you want to post to the blockchain. So the way that you do that is you click inside this box, and then you'll see that you can have the ability to click this icon and post to the SoMee blockchain. Just a warning, you can only post to the SoMee blockchain every 5 minutes. When you do post to the blockchain, it makes the post available for block rewards, what they call block rewards, so you can see that earnings accumulate at the post level. So you want to make sure that the quality of the posts that you're putting onto the blockchain are very good, so that you get a lot of upvotes and a lot more block rewards as far as earnings. You can also post to the Steem blockchain. I'm not going to post there now. I have not connected my Steem account to this staging server, but I will publish to the SoMee blockchain. So what I'm going to do is just upload a picture, and I can type something in there, shark. And when I do post, it's going to post to the blockchain. Hopefully it's been 5 minutes since my last post. Yes, it has. So it's giving me a green indication up here that it's posted successfully onto the blockchain. And you can see as it's posted on the blockchain, there's a 0 USD. And when you hover over here, you can actually see the SoMee earnings and the Steemit earnings. So if you have connected your Steemit account and post also to Steem, you can start to see how much rewards that you earn in Steemit, and it breaks down the rewards here on SoMee. So I'm going to go ahead and upvote my own post. I guess I'm getting some error warnings because you can only upvote every so often, and I've already upvoted in the last 3 seconds, or maybe it's warning me that I can't upvote my own post, but it should be okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take you in the meantime to the wallet so that you can understand how you get your voting power and how it all kind of comes together. So inside of the wallet, you'll land here on my wallet, and this is your ERC20 wallet. So this is where you hold your ONG, your ETH, and any other tokens that you want to hold in this wallet. But what I want to point out is the digital assets section in this video for how to power up and how to get SoMee. So what you want to do is you want to purchase or buy SoMee, and you do that using your ONG. So we allow you to use ONG or ETH. And so you want to buy SoMee. So you're going to want to, in my wallet section, you're going to want to deposit ONG, and you'll want a little bit of ETH to cover your gas fees, or at least deposit some ETH in here. And you can do that by clicking your deposit address, and this is your deposit public key, and this is where you would send your ONG and ETH. If you wanted to send somebody else ONG or ETH, basically it requires you to add them to an address book, so you can make it easy. So if you had a friend or somebody or a business associate and you wanted to input an ETH address, and you can type any notes here, and then you submit that. Basically, then you could send it to them, and it would be easier to find by name versus by the long string of Ethereum address. So that's how you use the address book here in this wallet. So once you deposit ONG and ETH, you'll click on this tab called Digital Assets, and basically buy SoMee, and you'll enter the amount of so I'll just do 100 right now, and then basically put my password in for my wallet. Okay, so I guess I don't have the minimum gas required right now on the test network, so I'm not able to do this, but you get the idea. You'll need your gas to perform this transaction, and then you'll basically purchase the SoMee with the ONG. I've already purchased some here, and then with the G Fuel, this is where you want to power up. So the power up, basically what that does is it gives you voting power on the network, and the ability to also earn the G Fuel staking rewards. So if you see right here 1134242, I'm going to refresh this screen, and then I might have to enter my wallet password again. Yep, I do. Now, as you can see, it's 1134243. So you're always gaining, every second you're gaining new G Fuel. So this is building your G Fuel, and it's upping your voting rewards. So it gives you a lot of more power on the network. So, and let me go back to the news feed and see if I can see. For upvoting my own post, it added $1.73 worth of value onto the post level. So you can see how powerful that would be if a lot of people liked your content and they were upvoting. And the way that you control your voting power or your vote, how much rewards you pass, is you go into click under your name here and go to settings, and then you'll see that there's a bunch of settings in here, and you go to blockchain settings. And the blockchain settings area is where you would adjust your voting power. So I'm voting at 100% right now. So I'm basically, voting at full SoMee power. And you can also adjust the voting power for your Steam it. So if you connected your Steam account, you can adjust the voting power as well. So it works as well for voting through SoMee to Steam it, and posting from SoMee to Steam it. You can automatically post on the blockchain by turning this on, and then it's always on. But just the warning is that on the SoMee blockchain, you can only post every 5 minutes. I believe it's the same for Steam it. So there's a frequency that you can only post to the blockchain. For SoMee, it's a little bit different because we don't require you to post to the blockchain. So you can actually click in here and post out to other social networks, and not post to the actual blockchain. So in the future, we'll let you post to other social networks in that area. Right now, you can share to other social networks by going here and sharing to other social networks as well. So you can do that. It's not going to allow me. I haven't connected my Facebook here, but that's easy enough to do in the future. And then in the future, we'll allow you to actually schedule content to post out to other social networks without posting to the blockchain. So if you simply want to use this as a tool to post out and distribute your content, you can do that without getting tripped up on the blockchain requirement. For the posts that you want that are valuable and you want to share great content with other people, you can post, and as other people upvote it, those are the posts on the blockchain that will actually get the block rewards. So that's you just want to make sure you make a note of that. So back in the wallet, you can see that as I go into my digital assets, this is where I would power up. I would buy my SoMee using the ONG utility token, and then from the SoMee is an internal point system that I can either use to buy G-Bucks for advertising, or I can use to power up to G Fuel and then have voting power and earn staking rewards inside of the wallet. So you can see it again, it increased from 42 to 46 now. So it's continually increasing in the G Fuel for having powered up the SoMee. And then when you power it down, you can do that and basically power down as many as you want, and then it basically powers you down in 13 payments, 13 equal payments that it distributes when you power down. So you just want to be aware of that it also affects your voting power, and it says that it doesn't recommend that you leave less than a G Fuel in your account. So that'll leave you basically without any voting power on the network if you do that. And then if you do power down G Fuel, it goes back into SoMee at 1-to-1. And then you can also swap 1-to-1 from SoMee back to the ONG utility token at some point if you wanted to pull everything out of the network. So that's how it works. And you can also power up Steam or convert Steam here for if you've connected your Steam account. We allow you to get Steam using block trades. And then you can power up your Steam so that you have more Steam voting power to vote through SoMee to Steam. Here on this tab, you'll see the rewards tab. That you'll see each week. Basically, it's going to give you a summary, a weekly rewards total, and then you'll be able to see as well how many weekly rewards that you've been paid each week for. It's going to accumulate all of the weekly rewards total, and then it's going to go ahead and accumulate those and pay those out every week as you accumulate the block rewards. So that's what I'm going to cover in this video today, is how that system works, and for the wallet staking and the powering up. And if you have any more questions, we'll be doing more videos very soon. Thank you.